Hello, I am David W. Parker. This is Programming Today I Learned, WebGL series, episode 74. This is part 3 in the lighting. Today we're going to be fixing our picking. So you may have noticed in the previous episode that when you click on one of the cubes, you can't really do anything to determine what it is. And the reason for that is because we're rendering out our shader with all the lighting. So right now we have this application. And a few new things that you'll see here. We have a program state called render. And as we scroll down here to the initialization of our state, you'll see that we have a couple cubes here. And right above, actually, in the init shaders, you'll see we are going to go ahead and set two different programs now. So we have multiple programs. One that uses vertex shader and fragment shader, and vertex shader 2 and fragment shader. So they're going to share the same fragment shader, but we have two different vertex shaders now. One for reading and one for rendering. So let's go ahead and take a look at the read, which is vertex shader 2. So this is kind of the traditional ones you've seen in the past, where not a lot is happening. We're just going to go ahead and set the V color based off the attribute color and the GL position accordingly. Now the vertex shader for the other, for render, is all the one with all the maths that is provided for lighting. So what that's going to allow us to do is we're going to be able to switch between these using use program and having the state of the programs given the state of the selected program. And that'll allow us to switch back and forth, and that'll allow us to read things properly. So as you can see, when we're scrolling down here and we're drawing, you can see that if we have the render program selected, we're going to go ahead and set the lighting uniforms. And then as well, when we're doing the mouse down, we're going to go ahead and set it into the read state, make sure we use that program, make all of our objects be ready for the read state, draw it out, go ahead and select it, and then return it back to the other way that it was before for the render state. And this is some code that you've seen in the picking episodes, but this is basically the same thing that you're going to end up doing to make sure that it works for lighting as well. So let's just go ahead and see it in action here. You can see this cube has been selected a couple times, and the other cube has been selected. So you can go back and forth and really nicely select them while making sure that you render properly with the lighting and whatnot. So that's it for this episode. If you like what you saw, please like this video and subscribe. That'll help me a lot on YouTube. Share this on social media if you will. Follow me on Twitter, and go to ProgrammingTIL.com and sign up for my newsletter. Have a great one.